Hey, it's Gilbite here, and me and Nathan are working on replacing a radiator in 95 Mazda 626 with the 4-cylinder 2-liter, and we're replacing the thermostat on this engine. And one of the things, you know, there's videos on replacing the radiator. And honestly, the radiator is really, this is one of the most simple radiators to replace if you have to do one. So I'm not doing a video on it, but I do want to do one on replacing the thermostat, because most of your parts places are going to give you the wrong part when you ask for one. They're going to give you a thermostat that's probably correct, and then a paper gasket which isn't correct. The thermostat is right here. So this is from the front passenger side of the engine. Right here is where the housing would go, right like so. And there are two bolts, 12 mil bolts that hold it on. The old thermostat, as you can see, getting some better light hopefully. Focus. Sorry about that, my camera's arguing with me. Okay, this is the old one. This came out of the car, all right? And as you can see, that's a rubber ring that goes around the thermostat. So when you go to the parts store, make sure they give you a thermostat that has a rubber ring similar to this one. This happens to be I don't even know how to pronounce that word. Molly thermostat, and it fits. So if you got the 95 Mazda 626 with the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, double overhead cam, 16 valve, that's the thermostat you want. And one other thing, you'll notice the ring has a lip. Focus. I don't know what's going on with my camera, it doesn't want to focus today. There's a little piece that sticks out right here. Make sure that that goes in the part of the engine that sticks out. All right, my camera. So I'm hoping you can at least make it out. So there you go. And so just put the new one in, just like the same orientation as the old one. Make sure that little piece is in the right place. Put it in and tighten it up. And there you go. It's not that hard. But again, the auto parts place is going to give you the wrong one unless you get the correct, unless you specifically get this one. Tell them. So anyway, hopefully this was helpful, and again, sorry about the focus on the camera. If you got any comments, like, subscribe if it was helpful, and good luck on yours.